trading with structure and specifically algorithms is like a defensive coordinator, identifying the playing field, then the players, then the plays, the lanes, and the routes that they take. In football, there's a play known as the wedge, and defensive coordinators, offensive coordinators, they look for ways to take advantage of this play. So the defense coordinator is going to look for how to defend against this type of play. In trading, we also have a wedge, and today is a good example of a wedge. You could see that price started the day with some strong sellers. The buyers defended this level right here, which is SPY 730. And now we're basically ping-ponging inside of this wedge. Our job as traders is to identify the algorithms that the buyers and the sellers are using, just like in football, the lanes and the routes that the players are taking. Once we're able to identify the lanes and the routes, we're able to make plays. The playing field today is a wedge, as you can see. Once you're in a wedge, there's no continuation on either side. So the buyers and sellers are basically at equilibrium. Price is at a fair level. Both participants are happy with price at this level. What you're looking for, one, you could learn how to trade the wedge, trade the boundaries, the resistance levels, and the support levels. You could find trades in between these levels once you identify a wedge, which we're taught to identify as soon as possible. I'm going to show you Eric from Spydaytrading. He's drawn up some setups or some plays to look for. And the first one is going to be a seller's play. You're looking for the break of magenta, which is going to be the larger levels. And back to the playing field, there's magenta. You're looking for a break below that yellow 630. Price to break down, retrace, and hold as resistance, and then look for a trade down. That will be the bearish scenario if the sellers take over. The next setup he's prepared us for is a buyer's scenario. Price to form an inverse head and shoulders and reach up to the 5-day moving average. Look for a trade for the buyers, and that would be buyers stepping in, getting above the 5-day moving average, hold the support, then look for your next trade.